Looking for a free teleprompter that actually works? I tested 15 apps, and most were garbage. Watermarks, subscriptions, or they didn't work offline. But I found one that's actually 100% free with pro features. Let me show you. If you're a YouTuber, you know the struggle. You want to sound natural, but you keep forgetting your script. You look at notes and lose eye contact. Or you use a teleprompter app that puts a watermark or asks you to pay $10 a month. I was so frustrated with this. Every free app I tried had some catch. Then I found this, Teleprompter Pro Elite. It's completely free, no sign up, no email, no watermark, no subscription. And the best part, it works 100% offline. Download once, use forever. You own it. Let me show you why this is better than everything else I tested. Here are the features. Mirror mode. See how the text flips? This is essential if you're using a glass teleprompter setup, where you read the reflection. Most free apps don't have this. Speed control. You can adjust speed from 1 to 100. Watch. Slow for complex topics, fast for quick takes, and you can change it while it's running. Focus mode. This dims everything except the line you're reading, helps you stay focused and not lose your place. Guidelines. These horizontal lines help you keep your eyes in the right position, right at camera level. Custom colors. White text on black is standard, but you can customize for your lighting setup. Yellow on dark blue, green on black, whatever works for your studio. Text size. Make it huge for distance setups, or smaller if you're close to the screen. Keyboard shortcuts. Space to play and pause. You don't even need to touch the mouse. R to reset. F for full screen. M to toggle mirror mode. This is a game changer when you're recording. It also comes with 6 script templates. Product reviews, tutorials, vlogs, interviews, presentations, and more. Just click Examples, pick one, customize it, and you're ready to record. The link to download is in the description below. It's free, but there's a quick 30-second verification to prevent bots from mass downloading. Totally worth it for a pro tool. If this video helped you, drop a like. Subscribe if you want more tools to level up your content game. I'll see you in the next one.